Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a Cloudflare Origin Certificate. To begin, open your Cloudflare dashboard and go to your account home. This is the main landing page where you can view and manage the websites connected to your Cloudflare account. If you have multiple domains listed here, take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct one before moving forward, since certificate settings are managed on a per domain basis. Once you're on the account homepage, click on the domain you want to work with. This will open that domain's management area, where Cloudflare groups together security, DNS, and performance settings. Choosing the right domain is important here because the certificate you create will be tied to that specific site. After the domain dashboard opens, look to the navigation menu on the left side of the screen and click on SSL TLS. This section contains the encryption and certificate-related settings for your website. If you're new to Cloudflare, this is where you'll usually manage how secure traffic is handled between visitors, Cloudflare, and your Origin server. Inside the SSL TLS area, click on Client Certificates. This is the section shown in the process provided, and it's where you can begin creating the certificate through the Cloudflare interface. Take a second to confirm you're in the correct area before continuing, especially if your dashboard includes several SSL-related tabs. Next, click on Add Certificate. This starts the certificate creation flow and brings up the form or setup screen needed for the next part of the process. At this point, Cloudflare will guide you through the available options for generating the certificate. From here, follow the on-screen procedure. The exact prompts may vary slightly depending on your account setup or Cloudflare's current interface, so read each field carefully as you go. In general, it helps to review the certificate details before confirming anything and make sure the settings match the server or service where the certificate will be used. If Cloudflare provides any generated certificate content or keys during the process, store them securely and only share them through trusted, private methods. And that's it. Once you've completed the prompts on screen, your Cloudflare certificate creation process should be in place. As a final tip, after finishing, it's a good idea to verify everything in your dashboard and confirm the certificate is ready for the environment where you plan to use it.